Hello everyone, what's good? How are you doing? I'm doing fine, I'm doing really good. The weather is super awesome here in Sweden. Finally, because this country sucks so much, I hope for all of you that is watching this that you don't live here. If you live here, I feel bad for you, bro, because this country is horrible. That is like, horrible country. Anyways, today I will be talking about highs and lows, swing highs and swing lows, and that's pretty much it. I know it's pretty basic stuff, pretty beginning stuff, but like I said in the last video, I will start with the beginning stuff first, and then each time go a step higher to the more difficult part. But for people that are completely beginners and don't understand nothing about trading, this is really important. I think everyone that is a trader knows how important highs and lows are. So without further talking, let's just jump right into the chart. And as you can see, we are on GBP USD on the 1 hour time frame. Well, that doesn't matter for now. To start with, let's start with one thing you guys have to know is that we are gonna go through 3 different types of lows. Like I said, the high of low as 1 candlestick, the high and low as 2 candlestick, 2 candlestick pattern, and swing highs and swing lows. That's gonna make sense pretty soon. So to start with, and again, sorry for my horrible drawing. I know I'm not good. Oh my god. Alright, here. As you can see, this is 1 candlestick right here. This is 1 candle. Doesn't matter if it's a bullish or a bearish candle. When there is 1 candle, the higher wick, so the wick that is upside, will be called the high of that 1 candle, okay? It doesn't matter if it's bullish or bearish, it doesn't matter if it's up or down candle, that's the high of 1 candle. And the under wick will be the low. Pretty simple stuff, Like I said, candlestick, doesn't matter if it's up or down candle, this will be the high, so the upper wick is the high, the under wick is the low, right? That's like really simple. Now it's gonna get a little bit more difficult and confusing for people that are beginners, but I'm gonna try to make this super simple. A high and a low in a 2 candlestick pattern, so 1 candle, 2 candle, okay? Yes. So a up candle and a down candle, okay? Now you're asking, what is the high right here? Well, I'm gonna make the wicks a little bit different so you guys understand it better. The high will be here. This will be the high because, okay, it's the longer wick. When it's a bullish candle and then a bearish candle, there is only a high, there is never a low. Now you will ask me, why is that? Just think of it like this, okay? 1 up candle goes up and 1 down candle goes down. You can see that it has a point, it has a high, okay? It has a high. If it's the opposite, a bearish candle, so a red candle, a move down, and then a green candle, a move up, you can see it doesn't have a high, but instead it has a low, okay? So in this case, a move up and a move down, green candle, red candle, we're gonna take the wick that is longer on the upside, which is in this case here. Imagine that this wick right here would have been longer. In this case, this would have been the high and not this one. So the opposite, when we have a red candle and then a green candle, there will be a move down and then a move up. Why? Because it's a down candle, a down candle, a move down, and the up candle, a move up. And we can see it forms a low. What is gonna be the low? This one or this one? I hope you said this one. Why? Because the wick is longer. You have to understand that when we want to mark out a high, we take the longer wick on the upside, and when we want to mark out a low, we take the lower wick, the longer wick on the downside. Okay? I hope that makes sense. It's really easy stuff, and I know beginners, they really get confused by this. So let's just jump into the charts, and I'm going to show you an example of this. Easy. Okay. I'm just going to go step by step, showing you. So a move up and then a move down. What is that? A move up and then a move down. What is that? A high. So a move up and then a move down. Where is the high? We take the longer wick, which will be this one. Okay? A move down and then a move down. Where is the low right there? A move down and a move down. There is no low. Okay, you guys have to know that too. I forgot to say that before. When it's 2 green candles or 3, 4, 5 green candles in a row, there is nothing. Same with if there is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 red candles in a row, there is nothing. Okay, but here we have a red candle, so we move down and then a move up. What is that? A low, and we take this as a low because it's the longer wick to the downside. A move up and then a move up. Do we have a high here? No, we don't. A move up and then a long move down. Where is the high? This one, because it's the longer wick. And then here, a move down and then a move up. Where is the low right here? It's this one. Because the wick is longer. A move up, a move up, a move up, a move up. There is nothing here. There is nothing here. This is not the high, this is not the high, this is not the high. However, here we have a little move up and a move down, longer wick. So this is the high. Is that clear? Do you guys understand it? If you don't understand it, let me know in the comments. I'm not gonna go through it again because this is pretty basic stuff. However, when it comes to swing highs and swing lows, the things get a little different. So, swing highs and swing lows is a whole different thing. So swing highs and swing lows, I like to say that are the most important swing, like the highs and lows, that are the important ones, the one that you want to focus on. All right, let me tell you one thing. There is never a swing high. Is when you see the chart or a swing low. Let me tell you, when you see a chart like this, it's basically the points, the turning points. Swing high will be, this will be a swing high, this will be a swing low. There will be a swing high, swing low. Swing high, swing low. Here, swing high, swing low. Swing high, swing low. Swing high, swing low. And why are these swing highs and swing lows more important than normal highs and lows? That's because there is more liquidity in those areas. If you don't know what liquidity is, I will go over it in another video. But those are the most important highs and lows. So let's just jump into the chart and show you guys directly. And one thing you have to know, there is never a swing high followed by a swing high or a swing low followed by a swing low. This doesn't happen. So if you zoom out in the chart, like if it's difficult for you to like find a swing high or swing low, if you zoom out in the chart, it's pretty simple, right? You can see where the points are. You can clearly see where the points are. If you start here, this is a swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high right here, swing low. Okay, and it's all like this on any time frame. I can go to the, like we are on 1 hour now, I can go to the 5-minute time frame here. Swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in this part so you guys know 100% what I'm trying to say. So first of all, what do we have here? We have a move up and then a move down. What is the high? The longer wick, so here. Okay, then we have a move down and then this move up. Is this a low, the longer wick here? Yes, it is a low, but is it a swing low? It's not a swing low, because we can clearly see that it didn't form like a peak. It went up a little bit and then it went further down before it went more up. So only this is the swing low. Okay, and what will be the swing low right here? What will be the swing low right here? Move down, move up, that's a low. We take the longest wick on the downside, which is right here. That's our swing low. Okay? Same to the upside. Price goes up, we have a move up here and then a move down. We take the longer wick, this one right here, that will be our high. But is it the swing high? No, it's not the swing high. Why? Because it didn't clearly make a turning point. However, this move up right here and then this move down, this will be our swing high. Okay? Swing low, swing high, swing low right here. Then in this case it's a little different. You could take this one or this one, doesn't really matter. Take this one. And we go continue, can continue all day like this. Swing low, swing high right there. I don't like to change it all the time. Swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. And like this, guys, I think you must understand it by now. Pretty simple stuff. And like I said before, if you have difficulties with finding swing highs and swing lows, it's like you can basically, like I said, just zoom out, right? You can zoom out and you can see like here, point, swing highs and swing lows. So a quick resume, a really quick, fast resume. When we have a move up and then a move down, so bullish candle, bearish candle, we take the longer wick to mark our high, which will be here. A move down and then a move up, which is a down candle and a up candle. We take the longest wick to the downside. In this case, this will be the low. When it's only one candlestick, we say that this is the high, this is the high, and this right here will be the low. And swing highs and swing lows are basically the points. So swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. And that's it, guys. That's it. And it's that easy. Like I said before, if you don't understand it, text me on Instagram. I will answer you. I will try to answer you. Or leave me a question in the comments. And that's it, guys. I hope you understand what highs and lows are. Really important thing in trading. Really basic, but really important thing in trading. And that's it for today. Hit the like button, subscribe on my channel, Let me know what you want me to make in the next videos. Let me know any question you have. I'm here to help, as you guys know. And that's it. See you guys in the next video.